Sathish sir to please come on the dais. So please share your thoughts.
A warm greetings to all of you. It's indeed my honor and a pleasure to be part of this event. I thank the organizers of Time2Grow Media for inviting us and to be giving us an opportunity to be part of this event. I thank Mr. Manpreet Khurana, the founder and CEO, and Dr. Lata ma'am for inviting us in to be part of this. I'm delighted to be here. As was told in the inauguration, before the inauguration, that two major points came out, which is very, very closely associated with an organization called as the National Institute of Open Schooling. We are part of the Ministry of Education. Most of you will know. We are one of the national boards like the CBSE. And two major points that came, which is the theme of 𝗖𝗍𝗶, is that opportunity and giving a chance. So and also about change. So these three things were brought it out. Exactly same was the principle and the motto that 𝗖𝗍𝗶 works with. Gives students an opportunity that they require, that they deserve, even if there are reasons for why they may not get otherwise. So giving an opportunity is one that our institution strives hard to give them. And another important one that came up is about change. So our institution had been in the limelight for bringing a change in the system of education. Be it that the education now, I am very, very proud to say that 𝗖𝗍𝗶 is one of the largest open school system in the world, which has brought the education outside the boundary of the classrooms and also the school, and have left it to the students and also to the parents and also to the stakeholders. It has brought in a lot of changes among all the stakeholders. Most importantly, the key stakeholder, the child or the student at the grassroots level. We are very, very thankful to all of you who have been instrumental in giving those change and opportunity to those children, connecting them to 𝗖𝗍𝗶 at a various point that they would require. Our institution had been focused on giving an inclusive education to all the students. Be it whatever may be the reasons, we focus and we are committed to the inclusiveness that all of us talk about. Our institution had been working hard since about more than 2 decades time in the country. So inclusiveness is also another key motto or a factor that we work on. We request as all senior administrators, principals and educators in this particular forum to take this point that at any point that you talk about inclusiveness, change or giving an opportunity, please do think about 𝗖𝗍𝗶 and connect the 𝗖𝗍𝗶 to the needy student or the parent or a teacher that they would require. So giving an inclusive education, kindly keep your doors of the school, of your institution open. It may be through 𝗖𝗍𝗶 that you can accommodate an extra load of students who can also get the best or the better education that you're offering to the other group of students. So I consider it to be a great honor and privilege, and we would like to have a close interaction with each of you. Our regional centers is at the Malleshwaram 18th Cross at the PUC board. All of you are most welcome to be in touch with us. The organizers will leave the contact details of mine and the regional center across to all of you. We look forward having a better collaborations, associations with all of you to taking this major agenda of the country and also of the institutions. I sincerely thank all of you and thank the organizers for this opportunity. Thank you very much.